Hello, I'm Mac. Today I will introduce HUAYEE HY480D, the maintenance, also the part, how can easily to maintenance. So first I will introduce how can check the engine oil, change the engine oil. So I will open this cover. This cover have 4 bolts. This use 16. After we open this 4-piece bolt, we can move this cover. After we open this cover, we can see here is hydraulic cooler. This fan not always work. With the temperature around the 80, they will be start to work. They have one solenoid. For the maintenance, we also need to open this cover. So near the tire, here have one bolt. After we open each side 1-piece bolt, this cover will be easier to open. After you can see here is battery, it's 12 volted. This right side is fuel tank, so here can fill in the gasoline. Is regular gasoline is okay. So here is fuel sensor for the meter. How many fuel you have, you will know. So here is cooler wire. Here is engine. This is a Honda engine, but brake strutting all is same. We can check the engine oil. Here is filling port. What you have is brake strutting or Honda engine all have the engine oil filter. So when you change the engine oil, we should be change the engine oil filter. So here one can change, open the here is drain for the engine oil. Brake strutting almost the same location here. Here is engine oil drain plug. So when we drain the engine oil, we should open this bolt. After we move this chair, we can see the hydraulic pump. This machine is a 3 pump, 3 valve. So after we open, we can see that. We can move this chair. After opening the chair, we can see this real 3-piece pump. This gear pump. After we can see, here is a hydraulic oil tank. Here is the suction filter, this return filter. When we open here, we can see we here have one suction filter. They have the 2 filters totally. Here can check the engine hydraulic oil lever, not low here, not high to here. Here to the filling port, we can open this cover. This kind of filling the hydraulic oil from here. To change the hydraulic oil when the drain bolt, here can drain the hydraulic oil. This bolt. We open this cover. We can open this cover, adjust this chain. So after we open this, we can check the chain loose connection or not. Also is bolt, we can check it. We can open this pedal. After we can see here have the 3-piece valve, which the lane, hydraulic oil lane. So I open this. We also should open this 2-side cover. This cover to protect this safety. So right side also have 1 piece. We can move this rubber, this 2-piece rubber. After we can move here. After we can see here have a horn, left side valve, right side valve. So in the front side, we can see the hydraulic pipe. So we can see we have the 3-piece valve.